All right, welcome back on our Wednesday afternoon. Of course, tomorrow, Thanksgiving, big day, a lot of eating. I know some people will be traveling out there as well. Take a look at our first look weather headlines. We start with that Thanksgiving forecast. We've got a lot. You can see cloudy with a few flurries, also windy, a little sun late, mainly a cloudy day, and cold. Very cold. We'll get into that in a second. Frigid weekend temperatures as well. Single-digit highs, below zero lows. That's really going to impact people who are out shopping this weekend, in particular on Friday. And a lot of folks like to get out and do that Black Friday shopping. Next week, we'll have warming temperatures. Chances of snow here and there, but for the most part, it is just going to be warmer, which will feel good out there. Let's take a look at Thanksgiving itself, and you can see our numbers hanging right around the 14-degree mark early in the day, then actually dropping later in the day. Those winds, that's going to be a big factor there, as that's going to help drive our temperatures down. Wind chill values are going to be very cold again, sneaking in a little bit of sunshine, but generally speaking, a cloudy day. And a look outside right now, you can see that cloudy sky we have in place. Fargo, of course, the snow on the ground. 16 degrees is where we're sitting. Northwest wind at 8 miles per hour, so it feels like 5 out there. Moorhead has a temperature of 16. For Grand Forks, same scenario. We've got a couple snowflakes coming down here, and they're 17 degrees. Feels like 9 degrees when you factor in that light wind out of the west-northwest at 6 miles per hour. As we look at our temperatures around the region, what you're finding is a lot of mid-teens, upper teens out there. 17 Thief River, 17 Grand Forks, also 17 for Bemidji and Park Rapids. Satellite radar, a little bit of light snow trying to work its way into Devil's Lake Basin, so don't be surprised. Really, many areas if you see a little bit of light snow coming down over the next several hours, and actually during the overnight hours as well. As we look at our first alert forecast, going to walk you through the afternoon, evening hours. We're going to see, again, temperatures generally hanging in the mid-teens overnight, very little movement. Also see these wind bars starting to pick up a little more. That means stronger winds out of the northwest starting to pick up tomorrow morning. See our temperature still sitting where we are about midnight. Some areas cooling down a little bit more. Jumping ahead as we head into 10 a.m. and then moving beyond that, notice our temperatures. Look what they're doing. They're kind of going down very slowly throughout the day. Eventually we'll see breaks in the clouds by the afternoon hours, looking pretty good, clear, and then jumping onto the evening hours again. We'll see clearing, but by then it is going to be very cold. Let's take a look. Tomorrow morning's lows, single digits to mid-teens. Now check out our highs tomorrow. Going to be cooler than our 7 a.m. temperature. We'll get a little sunshine, so good news there. It'll also be very windy out there. Let's go ahead and look at our wind chill forecast. Walking you through this pretty quickly here. What you're going to find is our numbers. Again, notice this is the wind chill. This is what it's going to feel like on your skin during the afternoon, evening hours. And those numbers just continue to go down. So by the time we get to late Thursday, most areas in the single digits to teens below zero. Look at the forecast as we head to your wind chill for the next couple of days. Friday, wind chill even colder than Thursday. 11-day planner for you. Here's what we have. We've got 9 for a high Friday, 8 on Saturday, 12 on Sunday, lows right around zero. So none of this has really changed our forecast over the last several days, I should say.
Right, but it looks like we're increasing, or we're getting ready to start December off on a nice note.
We will, warming back up a little bit, yes.
Exactly, being in the 20s, that's going to be nice. But let's enjoy Thanksgiving too.
Absolutely.
Russ, thank you.